Welcome to my channel. If you want to know how to make this gorgeous rose gold Christmas wreath, stay tuned for the rest of this video. All of these products are from Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? This is all from Dollar Tree and this cost me under $20 to make this. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you how I made it. Yeah, so grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this Christmas rose gold blush pink wreath video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm one of these DIYs in a long time, so I'm back with the DIYs. So I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree wreath, and basically every product used in this video will be from Dollar Tree except from the hot glue. So I have the wire structure. This is from Dollar Tree. These are from Dollar Tree. I saw these and I thought they're just so gorgeous. Just look at them. They're like a rose gold pink. By the way, I'm on my floor, that's why I can see my thigh. So this is like a rose gold pink, and I just thought it's really pretty to incorporate it because it is from Dollar Tree, and I found this to be like one of the most prettiest things Dollar Tree has carried before. This is the name of them if you're looking for them, and they're like nice gorgeous rose gold pinky color. So I've got like random stuff that I got from Dollar Tree that I plan to might use, might not use, which is these. I also found these disco balls, which I'm definitely using. I bought a lot of them just for this project. Some gold bells, and of course the balls themselves, which is these, which I found that they go really nicely with this. They go really nicely with this. So I thought all of this would be good. And then I have a bag of old Christmas balls. Oh, I so badly wanted to use this year because I feel like it does go with the flowers really nicely. So we'll see how that goes. We might not use it, we might use it. It's just too gorgeous not to use. But they don't go with this. They don't go with the balls. So we'll see how that goes. So this is all the stuff you're going to need. I think this is there's not much to it. So we're going to get started. I'm going to be using some old Christmas decor from last year. So they're all like from Hobby Lobby and At Home Store. So if you do see anything that I didn't include here, that's where they're from, because I do have leftover stuff. I don't throw away my Christmas decorations and I don't want to waste it. So I thought they would go really nice with this. So on that note, grab your coffee, grab a tea, and let's do this. Oh wait, one more thing. Look at these. So this is also from Dollar Tree as well. It's a pack of 5 of these gorgeous gold leaves. We might use it, we might not. I'm going to have a ton of Christmas DIYs leading up to Christmas. Oh, and I forgot to say there's different size balls. So they didn't have like mini balls, but they had this one, which is a bit smaller than the first one I showed you, which is this one. So I'm going to see what I can do with it. Everything I'm doing now is going to be totally freestyled as I go along. So I'm making it for the first time. I just want you dolls to see how I do it. So I guess grab your coffee, grab your tea, dolls, and let's do this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous rose gold Dollar Tree wreath. Let's get it, dolls. Let's go. It's harder than it looks. I've been trying, because I don't have smaller balls than this, I've been trying to like work it with the big balls, and it's just not, it just doesn't look right. And I've also tried to put these on the edges. So right now I'm just kind of messing around to see where things are going to go. I think ultimately these are going to be in the middle, so I'm going to just start and freestyle from there and start with the smallest balls in the middle and see what happens from here. I think that's what I'm going to do, because if I just keep messing around, we're never going to get anywhere. So I'm going to just start off like this and go all the way around and then see how I feel about it once that's done. And then maybe these might go at the bottom. We shall see how this goes. Hopefully this works out. I mean, if you're watching this video already, it did work out. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, and there's a lot of these that I've cut out ready to put on here. So let's go. So this is how it's starting to look. It's absolutely gorgeous. So it's coming along really, really good. So I'm going to keep going round, and I'm actually going to show you. I'm going to film this side of me finishing up this side. I didn't want to film this side on camera because I was still trying to figure out if it's going to look pretty. And right now I'm actually trying to figure out whether I want to put these on this side or put them on this side. I don't know. So the reason why I like this DIY is because you're coming along with me. I really wish I can use these balls here. These balls are from at home, but I can't find where the rest of them are, but it would have given it a really nice contrast. And they also have these, I also have these pink ones from at home. I wish I could have used them as well, but I don't have enough of them, so I'm just going to use the ones I have enough of, which is the Dollar Tree ones. And I'm thinking of sticking them on the outer, the big balls on the outer, so like that. We'll see how this goes. They're really, really big, these balls. Or sticking them in the inside and then having the disco balls like in the middle. We'll see how it goes. We can only see how it goes. We have no choice but to see how it goes. But these will look good in the inside because I'm looking at it from an aerial view. Oh, this is so beautiful. So I'm going to just keep going and messing around with it until I get to where I'm satisfied. But I'm starting to feel like these on the edges will look good. And then the flowers like this in the inside. They're so gorgeous. Okay, let's keep going. Decided that I'm going to go with the big balls on the outside, so I'm going to just do the same thing I did here but going with the big balls on the outside. So here's the bigger balls and I'm just going to go round and it's going to look bigger basically. I'm running out of balls. I ran out of the big balls that go along the end, so I still have a lot to do. So I'm gonna let this be done for the night and come back tomorrow morning and finish it off. So what I'm gonna do, I decided last minute to put these balls in here, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna glue the smaller ones in the inside, and then I'm gonna put flowers all around. So let's see how this goes. Kind of like this is what I'm going to do. So it's going to be like a row of 3 instead of like one ball this and then the next ball this, if that makes sense. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the flowers and then put them like in the middle, especially where there's like a glue mark. I'll put them in the middle like this to cover that glue mark, and I'm going to do it all the way around. So I'm going to leave these in ready for tomorrow because this area is dry, and just do that, and then we should be good. And then by the time you guys see me back on camera, I'm going to be it'll be tomorrow, and then I'll have the big balls to go round and then some more little balls inside the circle in the middle. But it's starting to look seriously so gorgeous and so glamorous. Oh, and then I'm also going to use these disco balls and fill in the tiny gaps like this. Oh, it's looking gorgeous. It's looking so gorgeous. Look at that. It's gonna be gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna finish this off tomorrow. I promise you, this is gonna get done. It's the next day and I'm back, and I went to Dollar Tree and I got 2 more balls. Smaller ones and the big ones. So I'm now gonna finish off this wreath, and I added these in the middle of the night, so I'm gonna go back to it now and finish off the whole wreath. So I guess let's get started. Before I start, I wanted to say that I was gonna add some pearls inside it, similar to how I did my candy cane, like this. You see my candy cane wreath? I wanted to add some pearls and diamonds in it. I just can't find where my pearls are. Maybe maybe next time, but this is gorgeous. I wanted to like put these pearls in the middle. If I do find them, I'll add them in, but I think we're gonna get started. So I've already done, as you can see, the outer perimeter of this wreath, and here's the odd pink one. Well, it's hard to tell. So now I'm going to film this on camera doing the inside for you dolls to see how I did it, but it's starting to come along really pretty. And I asked everyone on Instagram if I should add this little dress in there because I'm a fashion designer, so I thought it's like a nice little feature, and everyone said yes. So I think I'm going to add it somewhere, maybe in the middle or maybe right here. We'll see. So anyway, let me continue. And I got that from at home. It was like $2 or something like that. So let's continue, and gonna fill inside the middle now. I've done the middle. Next thing I'm going to do is now fill the whole of this wreath with these balls here, right here. But I also added these, which I got from Hobby Lobby last year. They're just leftovers, and I thought it would look really cute on here. I wish there was a third one to kind of fill it up, but I guess the third thing I'm going to add is this somewhere down here in the middle. So but then I feel like I'm going to do this last when I put all the flowers in, that way I can know where it should go, or maybe I should do it first, I don't know, but that's how it's going to look like. So now we're going to fill the flowers in, and also fill these in, the diamonds, the disco balls. So let's go. Tip: what I'm going to do, like what I did is I placed down my flowers and my balls, and what I'm going to do is just pick it off and then glue it. Pick them off and then glue it. That way you know where everything is going to go when it's done. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be done with this project. And I'm telling you, this did not take long to make. It's so easy. It's done. It's so gorgeous. Wow, wow, wow. Look at all the detail on this wreath. This might just be my favorite wreath ever, like ever in the history of wreaths. I think I killed it. I think I slayed it. I think I executed it. I don't even know, like I have no words. It's just so beautiful. Look at all the detail. I have to take a picture of this outside. I wish I had pearls to add in it, but it might be too much. Wow, 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 wow. Absolutely beyond gobsmacked. I like this more than any wreath I've seen in the shop. That's how much I like this. It looks like it's store-bought. It doesn't look like something that I use Dollar Tree stuff to make. Unbelievable. Can you believe you can get all of this from Dollar Tree? Except from this. And except from this here. But still, I mean, this is under $20 to make. Oh my goodness. Dolls! So if you enjoyed this rose gold Christmas wreath, give it a big fat thumbs up. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. Share this video because it might help someone, especially if you want to save money and you want something glamorous. Share it. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to be remaking this. Also let me know if you want me to do a different type of wreath color next. Let me know, because we've done silver and this is now rose gold. If you have not watched my silver wreath DIY, go and watch it. But this is now the gold one, so the rose gold and pinky, you know, blush pink one. So I can't believe I made all of this with Dollar Tree stuff. It's just unbelievable. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this wreath, and I will see you gorgeous dolls in my next one. Enjoy crafting for Christmas. There's so much to make, and I'm gonna just stay tuned onto my channel. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, because there's going to be a lot of videos coming up for Christmas, especially as we're on December 1st right now. So anyway, love you dolls so much. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.